Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Chris Chavez here with Phandroid.com. We're here at the Facebook event, taking a look at Facebook Home, running on the HTC first. And our little Facebook friend here is going to give us, I guess, the rundown.
Just keep it on the, if you're doing any video, fine to do short snippets, but just keep it on the device.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you want to walk us through the how it all works? Or?
Yeah, sure. So the core purpose of Facebook Home, like Mark said, is to bring your friends and things you are interested in right to your screen. So you notice if you turn the screen on, first thing you'll see are your notifications, and if you swipe them down, you'll see your cover feed, which you'll see stories from my friends, pages I've liked, things I'm interested in. So this is an example of one of my friends taking a picture actually at this event. So you can long tap on the photo to see a full screen image or let it go and see the normal size. We can swipe through photos to see the next one. Continue swiping. If we want to go back, we can just swipe back easily. So it's really effortlessly to get from photo to photo in cover feed. And if we see a photo that we like, it's simple as just double tapping to like.
Oh, that's cool.
If we wanted to, tap on the icon, we could do that as well. If we want to check out the likes and comments for that story, we can see them in this this bubble that pops up over. So we'll see all the people who like the story up at top. We could tap in there to see the list of people who liked it. If we go back, we can see all the comments from the story. If we want to comment on it, tap on that, we can write a comment and post it, all without leaving Facebook Home. It's all in line. If you want to get rid of that, you just simply drag it down, and you're back to cover feed. And you can continue swiping your stories. See a photo you like, want to get a bigger image, release it. So suppose you're done, looking at your cover feed. You saw, a bunch of stories that you liked. Tap back out. It'll bring you back to your notifications. And you notice that we have Facebook notifications, system notifications on the HTC first, and message notifications as well. So we can scroll through them. If we see a notification that we're interested in, we can tap on the notification. It brings us right to the normal Facebook for Android app, and we can do anything that we normally do in the app. We can comment on it, share it, or use the Facebook app, go to your bookmarks. If we want to get back to cover feed, we can tap on back. It brings us right to where we were before. Now, suppose we want to read our Gmail. Tap on Gmail, brings us right into our Gmail app. Another way to get back to home, just tap on the home button as well. You'll notice someone actually just messaged me with a chat head, so I can tap on the chat head and message Victoria right here. Send it, right in line. I sent her a message, tap on it, I'm done talking with her for the moment. Now suppose I was in another app, so I go through that a little slower. So I tap on my profile picture, we can drag up to our app chooser, and say I was browsing some article on Flipboard, and I was flipping through my stories, and maybe I wanted to tell Victoria about some cool story I saw on Flipboard, so I can go in, type my message up, continue reading my Flipboard article. Suppose I'm done talking with Victoria for the moment. Take her chat head, drag it down to the bottom. That's it. Now Candace, maybe I do still want to talk to her, so I can leave that chat head there, go back to home, and I'm right where I was when I tapped on Flipboard originally.
You have full access to Google Play, correct? So say you could download, so on the first itself, you could download, say, a third-party launcher and use that instead?
So Facebook Home operates primarily as your home launcher.
Home
so
launcher.
You can use any app on the Play Store. You can, if you wanted to access, so this is, if you swipe from, this is the screen that you see initially when you
Oh, so these are
up.
like your favorites?
This is your favorites, basically. This is the apps that I've bookmarked already. So I can have multiple pages of bookmarks. And if I want to go see my full app list, this is just all the apps installed on the phone.
Can you scroll up and
pretty
down?
Standard, in alphabetical order. I can scroll down.
Cool.
And say, I want to add Uber to my bookmarks. Long tap on that.
So this is almost like a traditional Android launcher, just that in itself. So okay, that's cool.
Right.
And your chat heads will go with you everywhere.
Yep. So say I want to use Uber. You know, I need a cab out of here right now.
Right. Got it.
I can, coordinate with Candace or my friend Tom, who just messaged me.
Okay.
We maybe want to grab a cab together. We can coordinate it.
And you can move that chat head around the screen.
Yep. So yeah, say it was like over here initially, like right in the middle of the
where you log
login.
in.
Hey, move it around. I want to actually do that and log in.
Does it always go to the sides? Just like anchors? Okay.
Yeah. So it's designed to sort of be there for you, but also try to be out of the way as
get out of the
possible.
way.
You can, put it wherever you want. You notice it stays in the same place, no matter you're going back in an app, you're navigating wherever in feed, it'll still stay there.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Can you give us any technical aspects?
Yeah, on the phone, do you guys
phone
have any specs on the phone, like the
Process.
resolution and?
Do we have the
I
specs?
don't know if we have it right now. I can get it for you. And
Oh, yeah,
get
sure.
any details? Yeah.
Awesome.
Just curious.
All right.
But it seems it runs the app well. You notice it's very smooth.
Oh, yeah.
Dragging the photos, long tapping on the photo. It's a very smooth, delightful experience. All the gestures are designed to be intuitive. It's mostly dragging things around, tapping things. And as such, we spent a lot of time sort of making the experience really smooth and easy for users to sort of understand and use, and try to use consistent gestures throughout.
Any more questions, Chris?
To access like the settings, I guess, on the phone, is there like a way to?
Sure.
For
The settings
access for home itself.
for the home settings, there is a settings app for home. You can either access it
Okay.
as a separate app, or you can tap on the
The menu.
options
Then.
menu
Yeah.
and check out home settings. There's a few different settings in here for various options that we have available.
Oh, the status bar, so you can show the typical Android
Yeah, so if you wanted to show the
notification.
status bar, you can enable that by default. So you can notice now the status bar will show on the top of the screen,
Little time and
show
Wi-Fi
you battery, phone, typical Android status bar. Most of the time I turn it off just because I like the
Full screen.
the full screen experience that I get with feed. Right, so I see the entire photo. It feels like really immersive, and I get to do use the full experience that way.
To access the phone settings itself, there's like the
So there's the the standard Android
yeah.
settings app. So
can you click that little?
yes,
Oh, okay, so it's just like stock Android.
yeah, the stock Android.
Okay, that's cool.
Anything else, Chris?
I think that's about it.
All right. Thanks so much.
All right, well, thank you
Yeah,
for your
thank you.
demo. ChrisChavez, Phandroid.com. Thanks for watching.